In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Manager.io, a comprehensive tool for managing your business finances with ease and flexibility. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your existing processes, this tutorial will help you get the most out of Manager.io. So, let's dive right in. First things first, to begin using Manager.io, you'll want to add your business to the platform. Start by clicking on Add Businesses, which you can find prominently displayed on your screen. Once you've clicked that, select New Businesses. This is where you'll enter your company's name. It's important to ensure that you type it in exactly as you want it to appear, as this will be used consistently throughout your account. Next, we're going to move on to customizing your setup to fit your unique business needs. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation column. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this column and click on Customize. This customization feature is particularly powerful as it allows you to tailor the software to your specific business operations, ensuring that you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. As you scroll through the available master registry list, you'll see a variety of modules that you can incorporate into your business's setup. These modules are essentially different features and functionalities that Manager.io offers. Check the boxes next to the modules you think will be beneficial for your company. It's a good idea to think about what your business requires in terms of accounting, invoicing, and reporting, and select the modules accordingly. Once you've chosen your modules, it's time to navigate to the Settings section, located in the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll be able to further fine-tune your business's financial framework. Within Settings, click on Chart of Accounts. This is a crucial step because it lays the foundation for your financial tracking and reporting. When you open Chart of Accounts, you'll notice two main columns. On one side, you have your balance sheet, which includes your assets, liabilities, and equity. On the other side is the profit and loss statement, which encompasses your revenue and expenses. These columns provide a comprehensive overview of your financial health and performance. To make the most out of this setup, you'll want to add customized tracking rows that are unique to your firm. To do this, click on New Account. This allows you to create specific accounts that reflect the unique aspects of your business operations, whether that's tracking specific types of revenue, managing different expense categories, or any other accounting needs specific to your business. By following these steps, you'll have a robust and customized accounting system in place with Manager.io tailored specifically to your business needs. Remember, the key to effective financial management is ensuring that your tools are set up to reflect your operations accurately. Don't hesitate to revisit these settings and make adjustments as your business evolves. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With Manager.io, you're well on your way to mastering your business finances. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy managing.